new developments now in a case against a suspect accused of shooting and killing a woman right outside of his Hebron, Washington County home last month.
Kevin Monahan pleaded not guilty today after he was arraigned on upgraded charges in Washington County Court. Monahan accused of shooting and killing 20-year-old Kaylin Gillis on April 15th. Investigators say Monahan fired his weapon at a car Gillis was riding in when she and a group of friends accidentally drove up Monahan's driveway while looking for a friend's house.
Monahan was initially charged with second-degree murder. He's now facing additional charges as the investigation continues.
News 10 ABC's Michaela Singleton has the details from Washington County Court.
Since Kevin Monahan's last appearance in this courtroom and our last time covering him, he's picked up 2 additional charges: reckless endangerment and tampering with evidence. He's also had a slight tweak in that original second-degree murder charge. However, possibly the most impactful development today, we finally have some court dates on the books to know when this trial will move forward. Kevin Monahan's attorney, Kurt Mausert, using every tool in his arsenal trying to release his client on bond, or at least delay his trial. The prosecution, led by Tony Jordan, standing firm, saying not only should Judge Adam Michelini keep Monahan in jail, that their team is ready for trial at the word go.
We will be ready. We're ready today.
Jordan reiterating to the courtroom the harm caused by Monahan's alleged 2 shotgun shells fired at 20-year-old Kaylin Gillis and her friends back on April 15th remains the same.
The evidence also will show that all of the drivers, the vehicles were leaving and driving away from the residence. Your Honor, I think once we also will hear that, contrary to what may have been said previously, there's nothing to support the notion that the victims in any way provoked this response.
Mausert, meanwhile, says despite the 2 additional charges, the change downgrading Monahan's murder 2 charge from intentional murder down to reckless murder should give him room for bond.
I think it's an acknowledgement that my client's culpability is not what everyone thought it was when this case was first charged.
Mausert further claiming his client needs to be released because there's no privacy in Warren County Jail to prepare for trial.
They will not allow me a contact visit without a correction officer within earshot. I'll be damned if I'm going to prepare for a murder trial with my client by whispering to him.
However, Judge Michelini not giving an inch, setting the motion and response dates for July and jury selection to begin by September 7th. Mausert again pushing back, saying that's not enough time to prepare expert witnesses and co-counsel.
So my question was, are you available? It wasn't, will you be ready?
My dates are clear, but I will not be ready.
Okay. I have every faith that you'll be able to get ready by then.
I'm just not going to do it. He can throw me in jail for contempt if he wants to, but before that happens, I'm going to go to the appellate division and get a stay. I'm not going to see my client's due process rights to a fair trial subordinate to some judge's desire to move something along.
Reporting in Fort Edward, Michaela Singleton, News 10 ABC.